Hi guys, and today we're going to now we are going to get free internet and downloading on your Safaricom SIM card. So first of all, you're going to need these three apps. So you're going to need the Zarchiver, the Telegram client, and our modded app. So first of all, open our modded app. Next part, you're going to type in your URL address. So you come here. You're going to type web.telegram.org. This one. You're going to log in using your Telegram account. So if you don't have one, go create one. Yes, Telegram is free on your Play Store. Go and get it. So after signing in, it's going to generate a code for you. It's going to be sent on your Telegram app. So enter the code. So after entering the code from your Telegram app, you're going to log into your Telegram account. So that is done. That is the first part of the video. And logging into your Telegram account on this modded app. So part 1 is done. Now for the second part, you are going to search here. For example, download a file. Let's for example search in our bot. So search TW self-service bot. Click on it. And there's many buttons you can see. So click on any one of them. And it will bring you to these files. So for example, go to download this file. Look at the speed at the top of my screen, and voila, the file is downloaded. So it is going to bring you this dialog. So it's a .bin, so download it. Don't worry, just download the file. Click download. Click allow to save the file, and wait for it to download. And done. The file is downloaded into your local directory. So as you can see, it's a .bin file, but we don't want a .bin. We want an APK. So open your Zarchiver, then scroll to your download folder, and this is the file that we downloaded, the 2 MB one. So long press on it, then click on rename. Change the extension from .bin to .apk. Then you can rename the rest of the file to anything you want. Say KPN, tunnel, okay. Then as you can see, the file changes from .bin to .apk. Then you can continue to install. As you can see, it's installable. So that is the first part of downloading the APKs. So the next part is downloading the movies, anything that you want. So go back to our modded app. Let's wait for it to load. Just subscribe to the channel, please. Okay, it has loaded. So click on search. I'm going to give you a very good recommendation for a very good movies and series channel. So come here and search BLAQ index, work index. Click on enter. Search. As you can see, the first one, the series band. Just click on it. Okay, wait for it to load. As you can see, it has loaded. So this is the channel I'm talking about. They upload the daily movies. They upload the latest ones. So this one looks like a nice one. So download it. So as you can see at the top of my screen, as you can see, the speed is amazing. So kama uko mahali network iko fire, utapenda. So guys, that's much I have to say. So if you want to download the media file files, you can just ask me to do another video for how to download the media file files, the Mega and Z and the ZP share, all those and extensions for downloading the big files from, for example, YouTube. can also look for our video, scroll down to our videos. You can see the videos, all YouTube videos, live streaming, matches, free antivirus for Android. Just click on this channel, look at our videos.